A modern city can lose power in a second, but the real collapse happens layer by layer. A city blinks and goes dark. A major grid failure creates an instant imbalance. Supply and demand no longer match. Protective systems react in milliseconds, isolating faults to protect equipment. That protection stops damage, but it also turns power off across entire districts. The blackout has begun. First seconds, batteries kick in. Emergency lights switch on to guide people out. Hospitals transfer to backup power. Life support and critical systems are prioritized. Automatic generators start within seconds, if fuel and systems are ready. Elevators stop between floors. Intercoms connect to building staff and rescue procedures. Traffic lights fail instantly. Drivers improvise four-way stops in the dark. Operators shift to backup comms, confirming the scope of the outage. Across the city, people realize this isn't a flicker. It's out. Phones light up. Everyone checks in at once. First minutes, trains coast to a stop wherever they are. Underground protocols start. Announcements, guides, safe egress routes. Passengers are kept in place or moved slowly towards stations, depending on safety. Cell sites switch to batteries or generators. Capacity is limited. With everyone calling at once, congestion grows. Some calls won't go through. Home internet vanishes. Modems and local nodes need power on every link. Surface transport slows. Crews step in to keep key junctions safe. Critical aviation lighting is on dedicated backup. Inside terminals, systems scale back. The footprint becomes clearer. It's not one block, it's many neighborhoods. First hour, water systems feel the strain. Some pumps stop, tanks begin to draw down. High floors may lose pressure first without powered boosters. Fuel stations need electricity for pumps and payment. Many can't dispense. Card payments fail without networks. Some places switch to cash, if they stay open. Cash machines go dark. Backup rarely supports withdrawals. Emergency services stay up on backup, but call volume and dispatching become harder. Stations adapt, manual overrides, alternate routes, extra radios. Critical care continues. Non-essential areas dim to conserve fuel. Major intersections get manual control to reduce gridlock and collisions. Across the blackout, islands of power remain, each with limits. Cold chains begin warming. Timers start in the background. The city runs on stored energy and patience. For now, hidden escalation. Refrigeration warms. Food safety windows start closing. Buildings lose heating or cooling. Comfort gives way to risk in sensitive spaces. Backup generators keep critical sites alive, but they burn fuel continuously. Fuel logistics become the next problem. Delivery, storage, and safety. Communications grow less reliable as batteries drain site by site. Businesses wind down. Without payment and lighting, many close. Communities adjust. Stairs instead of elevators. Word of mouth instead of apps. Water and wastewater plants watch levels carefully, conserving where possible. The longer it lasts, the more layers feel it. Restoring power isn't a flip of a switch. Black Start begins with a small, self-starting source that energizes a path to larger plants. Operators match frequency and voltage, adding load carefully to avoid another trip. Sections rejoin step by step. Stability comes before speed. Even with preparation, restoration is careful and staged. A city does not come back online all at once. It wakes up one system at a time.